Can you please repeat the question once again? Sorry, ma'am.
No, it's okay, beta. No need to be sorry. The question is, why were France's textbooks not a nuisance to him anymore?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Nishta, continue, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Poor man! It was in honor of this last lesson that had put on his fine Sunday clothes. And now I understood why the old men of the village were sitting there in the back of the room. It was
Underline. Very, very important. The most important part of this chapter.
it was because they were sorry, too, that they had not gone to school more. It was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years of faithful service and of showing their respect for the country that was theirs no more. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. It was my turn to recite. What would I not have given to be able to say that dreadful rule for the participle all through, very loud and clear, and without one mistake. But I got mixed up on the first words and stood there, holding on to my desk, my heart beating and not daring to look up. I heard M. Hamel say to me, I won't scold you, little Franz. You must feel bad enough. See how it is? Every day we have said to ourselves, Bah, I've plenty of time. I'll learn it tomorrow. And now you see where we've come out. Ah,
Now, see, this
that's
is
the great trouble.
exactly what happens. So, Nisha, just like hang on for a while. This is what that happens to us. Also, we have plenty of time, and when time actually slips from our hands, that is the day when we realize that, oh my God, we have wasted so much. Along with that, why wasn't he able to recite his lessons of participle? Because he hadn't practiced anything. He hadn't read it nicely. Because he had taken it so casually that, like, he fumbled in between as much as he tried to, like, utter it correctly. So, what do we actually learn from this? That time is never gonna stop. It is actually gonna slip from our hands one day. So it's better, like, that we do everything according to, like, the requirement and not as per our convenience. This was all a result of doing things as per their own conveniences. And when the times actually suddenly changed, so, like, their identity actually got fragmented. If they would have learned their language, this would not have been the same thing. Okay, Nishta, let's give you some rest. Let me pick up somebody else now. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, 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 okay. Alna. Alna, can you read for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Alna, can you read for us? Do you know from where you have to start?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, Alna, I can hear you. Do you know where you have to start from?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Page.
It's page 5, Alna.
Yes, ma'am. From your parents, right?
No, it's gonna be there. Now you see where we come out. Ah, that's a great trouble with Alsace.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ah, that's a great trouble with Alsace. She puts off learning till tomorrow. Now, those fellows out there will have the right to say to you, how is it? You pretend to be Frenchmen, and yet you can neither speak nor write your own language. But you are not the worst, poor little Franz. We have all had a great deal to reproach ourselves with. Your,
Reproach
pa-
means disappointment.
your parents were not anxious enough to have you learn. They preferred to put you to work on a farm or at the mills, so as to have a little more money. And I have been to blame also. Have I not often sent you to water my flowers instead of learning your lesson? When I wanted to go fishing, did I not just give you a holiday? Then, from one thing to another, Hamel went on to talk of the French language, saying that it was the most beautiful language.
Underline. French language is the most beautiful language of the world, and keep underlining till the paragraph ends.
The clearest, the most logical, that we must guard it among us and never forget it. Because when a people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to the language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. Then he opened the grammar and read us our lesson. I was amazed to see how well I understood it. All he said seemed so easy, so easy. I think, too, that I had never listened so carefully, and that he had never explained everything with so much patience. It seemed almost as if the poor man wanted to give us all he knew before getting away, and to put it all into our heads at one stroke.
Just hang on, bache, just hang on. Underline up till one stroke. There are three things. Once the people of Alsace, like France and the other villagers, they keep on procrastinating that they will learn, but they didn't. Second thing, he blames the parents of France also, who actually tell their kids to do the labor work at a very early age. Okay, so they can have at least mass production, or maybe they have many more people to help them. Thirdly, he also blames himself that he had given these people holidays because he had to go fishing or he had his own leisurely tasks to do. Okay, so this is where Mr. M. Hammer is actually feeling guilty about the fact that how the people of Alsace and how he himself, okay, are to be blamed for not actually, like, giving importance to their language when it was with them. Okay, these three factors you will remember. This whole paragraph that I have made you underline, that when you are enslaved, your language is a key to your is the key to the prison. Very, very important. You have to use this line in almost every question, beta, where it makes sense. This is the most important line of this chapter. Okay, because also write down, language is a tool. Write down, language is a tool that gives us power. Language is a tool that gives us power. So then you continue like this. So whenever people are enslaved, if they hold fast to their language, then the language can become a key to the prison. This is the way you are going to write.
Ma'am, can you repeat that again?
Beta, I said that language is a tool that gives us power.
Okay.
So whatever is written now, so whenever people are enslaved, so as long as they hold fast to their language, it is going to be a key to their prison. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, beta. Alna, beta, please continue.
After the grammar, we had a lesson in writing. That day, M. Hamill had new copies for us, written in a beautiful round hand. France Alsace, France Alsace. They looked like little flags floating everywhere in the schoolroom, hung from the rod at the top of our desk. You ought to have seen how everyone set to work, and how quiet it was. The only sound was the scratching of the pens over the paper. Once some beetles flew in, but nobody paid any attention to them, not even the littlest ones, who worked right on tracing their fish hooks, as if that was French too. On the roof, the pigeons cooed very low, and I thought to myself, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons?
Underline and write down CBSE question. Very, very important. Mark stars. Will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? This is not a normal line. Firstly, a literary device has been used. Name the literary device, girls.
Sarcasm.
No.
Personification.
No.
Metaphor.
Metaphor. Write down the literary device first. Metaphor is used. they can give this to you in 1 markers. Secondly, write down the explanation. Just hang on. Let me just find it in my notes.
Ma'am, we have to do these questions in the notebook.
Better, it's going to be very much better if you do them in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Girls, please hang on. I'm finding the answer to this question. They are in my notes. I have a PDF too. Just hang on. Girls, write down. Language is the basis. Language is the basis of one's identity. Language is the basis of one's identity. Writing, no? You are able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Language is the basis of one's identity. It helps us to articulate articulate. It helps us to articulate and assert assert and assert our thoughts and ideas. Our thoughts and ideas. Full stop. If someone snatches away one's language from them, if someone snatches away one's language for them, so it is very unfair. If someone snatches away their language from them, so it is very unfair. And also, it is very difficult for the people, and also, it is very difficult for the people to accept a new language, which is being imposed on them. To accept a new language which is being imposed on them. Beta, have you written up till now?
Ma'am, can you just repeat the last line? It is also difficult for the people to.
It is difficult for the people to accept the language which is being imposed on them. Girls, written up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Beta,
ma'am.
Yes,
anyone
ma'am.
please from the beginning?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Language. Okay. Can I do?
Yeah, please, bete, proceed.
Language is the basis of one's identity. It helps us to articulate and assert our own thoughts and ideas. If someone snatches away one's language from them, so it is very unfair, and also it is very difficult for the people to accept a language, accept a new language which is being imposed on them.
Okay, change the paragraph, girls. Write down. For France, for France, French language, French language, not for France, the usage of French language. Please make it that better. For France, the usage of French language was very natural. The usage of French language was very natural. Written up till here?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
continue and write, and so as cooing, COOING, and so as cooing was natural to the pigeons. And so as cooing was natural to the pigeons. Written up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Using a metaphor, put a full stop and write down. Using a metaphor, France tries to say, using a metaphor, France tries to say that even if they rob, that even if they, in parentheses, write down who? Germans. That even if the Germans rob the pigeons, even if the Germans rob the pigeons of their language, rob the pigeons of their language, or do one thing. It's not making sense actually. Even the Germans rob them of their language. Better. Rob them of their language and force German on them, and force German on.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the last line? I'm
Okay.
rob off.
From where? Kindly read it, Bete, and then we can start. See, I've written
France tries to say that even if.
France tries to say that even if the Germans rob them of their language, for them you write down pigeons in the bracket. Rob them of their language and force German on them, force German on them, so it would be very discomforting. So it would be very discomforting for the pigeons, for the pigeons to adopt a new language. So it would be very discomforting for the pigeons to adopt a new language.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Diya.
ma'am, can we say that the author is trying to say or ask us that could nature also be enslaved like
I
the human?
was coming to that. We are writing. That's the second point.
Okay.
Hmm. Write down. Uh, don't change the paragraph and write down. It is not easy. It is not easy for the people. It is not easy for the people.
Ma'am, we need to change the paragraph.
No. Continue. It is not easy for the people to always adapt to a new situation. It is not easy for the people to always adapt to a new situation. Full stop. The Germans, the Germans were colonizing not only the Germans were colonizing not only the language and culture of the French. They were not only colonizing the language and culture of the French people, but they were colonizing their minds. But they were colonizing their minds. Put a full stop. Write down. They enslaved them. They enslaved them and forced them to switch to a different language. They enslaved them and forced them to switch to a different language. Franz's metaphoric expression, Franz's metaphoric expression of thought, Franz's metaphoric expression of thought, and then please write down this line. Will they make them sing in German, comma, even the pigeons, question mark, inverted commas closed again. Write down the full sentence. Franz's metaphoric expression, write down this line. Can I continue written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That Franz's metaphoric expression, whatever you've written, just hang on, girls.
Ma'am, ma'am, I wanted to say something.
Who is I?
Ma'am, Nandini.
हाँ नंदिनी बोलो.
Ma'am, I think so, ma'am. We have repeated the same thing again and again. I think.
Because see, we have many different words there. If you read it again.
Yes, ma'am. I thought that, ma'am, one point is being repeated again and again.
It has to get repeated. Don't worry. You are going to have a 5-marker question on this.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
made you write everything. You don't have to find it yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, where did we leave, girls?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am, we wrote that
France's
line. Will they make
metaphoric
them in
expression.
German?
Okay, Franz's metaphoric expression, and then the line, write down, highlights linguistic chauvinism of the Germans, highlights linguistic chauvinism of the Germans, highlights linguistic chauvinism of the Germans, and gives rise to a very thought provoking, and gives rise to a very thought provoking gives rise to a very thought provoking idea that can that not can that will the Germans even enslave nature, that will the Germans even enslave nature.
Can you repeat?
It gives rise to a very thought-provoking, innocent idea that even the Germans will enslave the nature, that even the Germans will enslave the nature. No, sorry, the Germans will even enslave the nature. The Germans will even enslave the nature and force the pigeons to cut off all bonds with their language. And forced to cut off all the bonds with their language. Now read it from the beginning.
Ma'am, should I read it?
Yeah, read everything.
Language is the basis of one's identity. It helps us to articulate and assert our thoughts and ideas. If someone snatches away one's language from them, so it is very unfair, and also it is very difficult for the people to accept a new language which is being imposed on them. For France, the usage of French language was very natural, and so as cooing was natural to the pigeons. Using a metaphor, France tries to say that even if the Germans rob them, the pigeons, of their language and force Germans on them, so it would be very discomforting for the pigeons to adopt a new language. It is not easy for the people to always adapt to a new situation. The Germans were colonizing not only the language and the culture of the French, but they were colonizing their minds. They enslaved them and forced them to switch to a different language. France's metaphoric expression of thought, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons, highlights linguistic chauvinism of the Germans and gives rise to a very thought provoking idea that will the Germans even enslave nature and force the pigeons to cut off all bonds with their language?
Yes. Now, girls, tell me, how is this answer? Do you find anything repetitive? Or do you think it's an absolute perfect answer for a 5-marker?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
the perfect answer.
Perfect
That was
answer.
perfect answer.
Nandini baby, nothing
And it
repetitive.
is of the chapter.
Yeah, Dia.
And it is the entire summary of all the main themes and facts.
Main thing. That's why. And you know, I had made this right to class 12B also. I had actually asked Kevika to send me the PDF because all my notes that I used to recite, this answer was also recited last year. So these girls used to write, but I think she has forgotten to write it. My notes only. And actually, I have written pointers. So Kevika didn't write. So I had to actually, transmute my pointers into absolute perfect sentences. So you write the answers. Now, please learn it exactly the way you have written it. Okay? And please write it down in your notebook. Because this is one of the most favorite questions of CBSE. If not in set A, you will find this in set B or C. At least one set has this question. Okay?
Excuse
Now,
me, ma'am. Can you
yes.
repeat the question for this?
Better, the question is the statement itself.
Ma'am, do we have to write explain the statement or something
Explain
else?
or justify
Okay,
anything,
ma'am.
or elucidate or elaborate anything. Okay. Now let's continue. Let me see who all are there. Dia, beta, I think you must take the attendance now. We have the maximum number of
Yes, ma'am. I
participants.
was asking that.
Let
Okay,
me
ma'am.
see. Okay. Tanushri will read for us now. Tanushri, are you able to hear us? Girls, can you hear her? Because I'm not able to.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm in the meeting. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. It was some technical glitch that I had to leave the meeting.
Okay, no worries, Tanushri. Tanushri, can you please start reading for us? You know from where you have to read?
Ma'am, after the grammar?
Grammar? No, beta, you have to read after pigeon.
Ma'am, actually, I'm seeing the PDF. So, ma'am, please can you tell me the page number?
Page number 7. Haven't you written the answer that was being recited in the class?
No, ma'am, I did write the answer.
Okay, so after the similar line itself, the same line which we had as a question, will they make the
Okay,
same?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I thought ma'am Nishtha started reading the line. So, ma'am, I thought that I will not have to read it from there.
Okay, never mind, beta. You start reading from here. Whenever I looked up from my writing.
Ma'am, it's on page number 7, right? And whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw H. Hemel. Right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Whenever I looked up from my writing, I saw H. Hemel sitting motionless in his chair
Beta,
and
it's
gazing.
M. Hamel.
H. Hamill. H.
No, beta.
Hamill sitting motionless in his chair and gazing first at one thing, then at another, and as if he wanted to fix in his mind just how everything looked in that little schoolroom. Fancy, for 40 years he had been there in the same place, with his garden outside the window and his class in front of him. Just like that. Only the desks and benches had been worn smooth. The walnut trees in his garden were taller, and his hop-vine that he had planted himself twined about the windows to the roof. How it must have broken his heart to leave it all. Poor man! To hear his sister moving about in the room above, packed their trunks, for they must have left the country next day.
Now, beta, why was the sister upstairs in the room? Mr. M. Hamill used to stay there itself in the school. He might have got some residential space to stay there itself in the school premises. Okay, we have a lot of places for the teachers or the staff. Also, you might have seen boarding schools, right? Wellams,
Yes.
Dons, etc. They give space to the teachers as well. So M. Hamill stayed there for 40 years. That's why you might have also read that he had a small garden also. He used to send kids to water
Yes,
his
ma'am.
plants. So that is the reason. Okay.
But he had the courage to hear every lesson. Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, no, continue.
Uh, but he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. After the writing, we had a lesson in the history, and the babies chanted their ba, be, he, bo, boo down there at the back of the room called Hauser had put on his spectacles and holding his primer in both hands, spelled the letters with them. You could see that he too was crying. His voice trembled with emotion, and it was so funny to hear him that we all wanted to laugh and cry. Ah, how well I remember it. The last lesson. All at once the church clock struck 12, then the Angelus, At the same moment, the trumpets of the Prussians.
What is Angelus? Angelus is a prayer. He's saying all at once the church clock struck 12, then the Angelus. Now the church clock is struck 12, they have started praying, and after that he is going to see, witness that the drill is on again. Remember the drill which was there for the march past of the soldiers in the beginning of the chapter? We
Yes,
did that.
Yes,
When
ma'am.
Franz was passing the whole city and the town, and he was coming to school. So the same drill is practiced again. Okay, continue, Tanushree.
Yes, ma'am. At the same moment, the trumpets of the Prussians returning from drill sounded under our windows. H. Hamel stood up very pale in his chair. I never saw him look so tall.
M. Hamel, it's not H. If it's
Sorry,
written,
ma'am.
so it's wrong.
Ma'am, on the net PDF, it's written H. Hamel.
Why don't you buy a textbook?
Ma'am, I did, but ma'am, I'm not able to find it right now. So,
Okay.
ma'am, that's why.
No worries.
My
Yeah.
friend said I, but something choked him. He could not go on. Then he turned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk, and bearing on with all his might, he wrote on as large as he could. Vive la
Vive
France.
la France. Vive la France. Underline. I made you write this. This means long live France. He writes it like big on the blackboard.
Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall, and without a word he made a gesture to us with his hands. School is dismissed. You may go.
Okay. This last
I'm
paragraph
so
is
sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I wasn't able to do it because, ma'am, I'm having really bad stomach ache. So, ma'am, I was not able to read it properly.
you would have informed me initially in the beginning, beta.
No, ma'am, it's fine.
Okay, please take care. Beta, see, he writes, Vive la France. What is the reason behind writing this in very bold letters on a blackboard? You tell me.
Ma'am, so that it leaves
Maybe because
an imprint in the minds of the students to follow this, even though they are not, they are under someone else's rule, but to always keep this thing in their mind and to be proud of their country forever.
Perfect. Okay, anything else? Anything else, beta?
Ma'am, the patriotism in him.
Okay, yes, the factor of patriotism alive.
Came alive, and ma'am, that made him write him in big bold letters.
Write in big bold letters. Okay, fine. Okay. Now let's write down another question. Mm-mm. You already know the answer, but I'm making you write 2, 3 very important questions from the perspective of the board examination. Because, bete, if you will see that you have only 2 questions in your text. See, understanding the text. Can you see that, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2 questions won't do it. No? It's very important to have more questions with us. Now, okay. Write down M. Hamel's reaction. M. Hamel's reaction when France. M. Hamel's reaction when France could not answer a question on participles. When France could not answer a question on participles was unlike what he had expected. Was unlike what he had expected. Full stop. Explain. Explain.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
M. Hamel's reaction when Franz could not answer a question on participles was unlike what he had expected. Full stop. Explain. What would be the answer to this, girls?
Franz
Maybe
had
Franz had.
Continue. Franz had.
Maybe because Franz couldn't answer the question, he was expecting Mr. M. Hamill to scold him and tell him
Oh,
like as he
see,
usually does.
Usually Mr. M. Hamill was very cranky on all the days. But because it was the last day of the French lesson, he was very emotional. Do not forget to write this term. He was,
Yes, ma'am, was coming to that.
yeah. So that's why he actually, did not say anything to Franz. Rather than scolding him, he had found himself guilty of sending Franz for doing his, tasks that were for kind of, what can you say, a flower, watering the flowers. And he himself took holidays when he had to go for fishing. He had also blamed the parents for keeping their kids at home for doing labor work. He was very emotional. So he was actually finding the actual reasons that what had happened, that the students were not able to learn earlier in a perfect way, and why has such a situation arrived that we have to leave our language, and I have not imparted perfect education, and why have the kids not grasped the essence of their language in a phenomenal way.
Ma'am, it is.
Yes, Nandini.
Ma'am, it was because that before when they had the language French, they did not took it very seriously.
So they took it for granted.
They
है
took
ना?
it for granted. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
all this. Yeah, Nandini, you want to continue better?
no, ma'am, it's okay.
Okay, bacha. Okay. Girls, write down one more question. Okay. Girls, see, this is a value-based question, okay? You do not have value-based question anymore, but you can actually get questions that are a bit molded, okay? And then they can present to you. So this question will just give you a knack of how the question can be presented to you in the paper. Write down. Young Franz grows up into a fine young lad. Young Franz grows up into a fine young lad. Full stop. He recalls his last lesson.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, what did you say after fine young?
Lad, L-A-D, lad.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, into a fine young lad, full stop. He recalls his last lesson in double inverted commas. He recalls his last lesson with tenderness, as it taught him the greatest lesson on patriotism. As it taught him the greatest lesson on patriotism. Write Franz's feeling in the form of a diary entry.
Ma'am, can you please repeat? Ma'am, the
Write
last
Francis' feelings in a form of a diary entry. Write Francis' feeling in a form of a diary entry. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
will not do this question in the notebook. Why did I give you this question? We do not know what is going to be the syllabus this year. Whether we have the same syllabus we had 1 year back before the pandemic was there, do we again have the syllabus which was there for the pandemic year, or we have something new? This question is just given to you to give a knack that how value based questions come. So in such questions, beta, what do you need? Firstly, you need to know the format of the diary entry. I hope you all have the format of the diary entry with you. Do you have it?
Yes, ma'am.
Learned it in class 10th, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then what are you going to write? Are you going to write an article here or a diary entry? A diary entry.
Diary entry.
Okay. And whom are you going to write the diary entry as? Franz.
France.
France.
Okay. Okay. First person. Now you are writing the diary entry. What all things will you include here?
The fact that now the two districts were under German control because Germany had colonized these districts of France, and now their language was being taken away from them, and we will write about the emotions that were going through in the mind of France, as well as we can take the example of the Hauser and especially Mr. M. Hamel.
Perfect. Hauser, M. Hamel, what M. Hamel, and he's
Ma'am,
actually remembering. He can write about all the themes that I've given to you. Yes, beta.
ma'am, also, ma'am, in the last we can include that M. Hamel wrote in bold letters, Vive la France.
France. What else? Anything else? There you
Ma'am,
raised
also his thoughts about the pigeons. Ma'am, because it was his thought.
his thought. Yes. Okay, Dia, you've raised your hand.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that in this diary entry, we will write, like Franz is writing the diary entry when he's young and the things are going on, or when he's grown up and then he's
He's
remembering it. Like,
grown up. He's grown up. He's reminiscing what happened in the past.
so, ma'am, we'll write it in the past tense. Everything.
No, it's like, Franz is writing in present and he's going to tell about the past. That what
Yes,
happened
ma'am. So we'll write it happened, not it was
happened.
happening.
It is not happening or about to happen. Everything in past tense.
Okay.
Okay. Anyhow, you are not writing this question, but it was just to give you a knack that how a question can come. So you have idea of all the aspects. Okay. Now we are going to do these two questions that are there in the textbook. Then we are winding up. Okay. The people in this story suddenly realize how precious their language is to them. What shows you this? Why does this happen? You know everything. You've
Ma'am, I
written
want
everything.
to ask one thing.
Yeah, Zainab.
Ma'am, it's a doubt. Ma'am, on page number 4, ma'am, there is a line. Ma'am, last paragraph.
Huh?
Ma'am, it is written that my books that had seemed such a nuisance a while ago, so heavy to carry, my grammar and my history of the saints were old friends now that I couldn't give up. So, ma'am, history of the saints were old friends. So, ma'am, what is this meaning in the lines?
History of the saints, the history textbooks.
Were old friends now. So, ma'am, old friends,
Old
ma'am, he's
friends know
referring.
that now they are not gonna be with him anymore.
Oh, so, ma'am, he's referring old friends to his books.
Books.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. That's what I wanted to.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, bache. Okay, girls. If we come to question number 1 in understanding the text, please read the question. Do you think there is anything we have not written pertaining to this question? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
No,
I think we have a lot of material for us. We have it in the themes. Okay, you have already written a lot of it today as well. Okay, and why does this happen? Remember that thing I made you write, an order had come from Berlin. Now French is not going to be taught in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. You have to write this here. And when you are writing about the preciousness of language, which paragraph are you going to include? Quickly tell me. I made you underline today itself.
Ma'am, page number 7, ma'am, that language, the most beautiful language in the world, ma'am.
Yes. And language is a tool that gives us power. And then you have that line of enslaved and key to the prison. Okay, girls? I hope I have made myself clear.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
like small babies, I do not have to make you write everything again so you frame a proper answer. Okay? So just remember, very important, this para that I have just told you, an order from Berlin, all the themes that you have written, and whatever we wrote today, a few, take a part of that. 4 things combine, make your answer. You want me to repeat it again, or have you got it?
Ma'am, we got it.
We got it.
Chalo. Now you have this another question. France thinks, will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? What does this mean? You have the total answer. Okay, so this is sorted. Talking about the text.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast to their language, it is their key to prison. We have already discussed it. We know what is going to be the answer. Okay, do you want me to tell you the whole explanation?
No, ma'am.
Now it's the same. We are going to repeat everything about language, identity, fragmentation of one's identity, how language gives us power, etc., etc. Okay, can you think of examples in history that were conquered people in their language? Okay, we are not doing this. What happens to a linguistic minority in a state? Okay, we are not doing this also. Now you know what is linguistic chauvinism that is given in the 3rd question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you've written the whole definition. I made you write that. Now,
So, ma'am, excuse me,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, Jayati.
Ma'am, we have to do the 2 questions from understanding the text.
Yeah,
And what from talking about the text?
Just hang on, bache. 2 questions from understanding the text. Then you turn your page to page number 11. Can you see things to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 1 you will do in your notebook. Find out about the following: linguistic human rights and constitutional guarantees for linguistic minorities in India. This is an activity that has to be done by you. Every batch
Ma'am,
has
it will be
done.
included in the question and answers, or like a new heading will start activity.
Nisha bete, after you are done with all the question answers, no, in the end you do this activity.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, girls, you can take help from any notebook, internet, etc. But I want you to write the source also, from where you have written this, from where you have taken the excerpt that you are going to write. Okay, mention the website, or if it is a textbook, mention the name of the text. Okay, in the end, that what was your source. After you end everything, write down, leave a line and write down source, put a colon and then write. Okay. Now, girls, you might be seeing we have small questions also. Short answer questions. See, come to page number.
Yes, ma'am.
I think beta 7. Page 7. What was France expected to be prepared with for school that day? Quickly an answer. It's a kind of a revision for us.
Participles.
Participles. Why did France note? What did France notice that was unusual about the school that day? We did that. We marked the whole answer. Remember?
It was very quiet.
No
green
hustle
suit,
bustle,
very
everything
special green
quite like
suit, which he
Sunday
used to wear
morning.
for.
Yeah, he was wearing a green coat, frilled shirt. Don't forget to write about the postmaster, old Hauser, and the other villagers sitting at the last benches of the classroom. What had been put up on the bulletin board? Quickly.
That in the
An
districts of
order had
Netherlands
come
and
from
France, the
That
German
in
language
the
will be
district of
taught.
Alsace,
Alsace and
German
Lorraine.
had to.
Perfect. An order had come from Berlin. Dot dot dot. What changes did the order from Berlin cause in school that day? We know the changes already discussed. Repetitive. How did Franz's feelings about M. Hamel and school change?
Ma'am, he
He
suddenly
used to take
started liking the school. He ignored the ruler of
His
M. Hamel
books
and his
didn't
cranky
doesn't feel
teacher.
nuisance to him.
Yes.
They were no nuisance to him anymore. One
Ma'am, he
more.
started paying attention in the lessons, which he never did.
And he did not find M. Hamel cranky.
He did not find him cranky. Two more very important things which you are missing out. Franz was feeling guilty. You must write down this word. And Franz was also being emotional. Remember, I believe Zainab or Nisha just told us, like, they were my old friends, the saints of the history. He was actually getting emotional. The textbooks were not nuisance to him anymore. He was actually feeling bad that why couldn't he recite the lesson on participles in a good manner? Why did he fumble? So guilty, emotional, with full concentration, he was actually listening to Mr. M. Hamel, not finding him cranky. Okay, did not find the textbooks nuisance anymore. Are we done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you tell me.
And this question we have to do in copy.
Yeah, these 5 questions in the notebook. Okay, there is this one question that is repetitive beta. For example, what did Franz notice that was unusual about the school? And one is that, what changes were there in the school? It's repetitive. Do only one. Answer is the same. Okay? Or maybe you can write both
Ma'am,
the
where
questions.
is this question, ma'am? Why did France? Where is that question?
Beta, it's on page number 7. Think as you read question number 2. Got it, Jayati? What was unusual about that day? And then you have a similar question like that. What changes did the order from Berlin cause in school? Okay, write both the questions, put or in that, and then you have a same answer. So you do not forget by the end of the year. You are doing these 4 questions here or 5 questions here. You are doing 2 questions understanding the text. Okay. In understanding the text, the pigeon question is already been included. The answer you wrote today. Okay. The additional questions that I have given to you, if they are same, okay, don't write them again. If they are different, please write them down and write the answer as well. In totality, 7 to 8 questions will be there, I believe. Not more than this. And this much is required in class 12. 7
Okay,
to
ma'am.
8 per text. Okay. Now, Bete, tell me, is there anything you people did not understand? Or is it very much clear?
Ma'am, it is clear.
The
Ma'am, it is
methodology
clear.
is clear. The methodology of teaching is fine. You want to
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
perfect, no? Whenever you feel you're not able to understand, please feel free to tell me, okay? I told you earlier also, this is your year, not mine. So I'm going to work as per your convenience. Okay. Now, Bete, in the next class, that's on Saturday. We are not going to have Saturdays off this year. I gave you lots of Saturdays off last year. Remember? You must thank
Yes,
me for
ma'am.
that.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
sleep, but this
Ma'am,
is
but
not
some of us have coachings and tuitions on Saturday.
the class will be
You can
recorded.
record.
Hmm.
Okay, Hadia, I can't give you off since here we won't be able to find the syllabus. In the end, it's gonna be you people who will be struggling with extra classes. Then why to do that when we can finish it off earlier? The ones who have classes, I have no issues. Go ahead, attend them. I will record the class. But please do not unnecessarily miss the class that we will sleep, we will hear the recording. Beta, being here in the class is actually a different thing rather than just listening to the recording. You can understand well. Anyhow, the examinations this year will be offline only, as much as you try. They're not going to be online because once the procedure has started, it has started. So if you are actually going to be like this, that like, whatever she is blabbering, let her blabber in online test, we'll cheat and pass. No, it's not going to be there anymore. And anyhow, your quality of learning is going to get hampered. And that is what has been happening with class 10th also. These people have written their offline board examination. No, you know this pre-board 3 for class 10th.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you imagine? There is not even a single person, beta, who has got 40 on 40 in MCQs. You know what is the highest? 35. And when it was online, no, everyone had 40 on 40 or 39. Imagine, everyone was cheating. Everybody. Look at the standard now. They are going to cry, I'm telling you. Cry, terribly cry. You can gain marks when you write. Okay. The teachers also become a bit lenient at times. Not all the times. But what will you do with one markers? Who is going to fetch you marks there? Nobody. These people are going to cry. Even the present 12th standard is cheating, I know. The one who's going to write the board paper. I can't do anything. Let them cheat. Let them do. You know what, girls? I'll tell you one more thing. You know your ASLs, right? Most of you speak very
Yes, ma'am.
fluently. You have pages tucked on your laptop. Or maybe you are having a parallel screen. You can't imagine in 12th B, at least 30 students fumbled when they were speaking in the ASL. The class strength is 51. Earlier it was 52. Now can you imagine this? 30 students fumbling, and when the ASL is taken here, oh my God, we do it so nicely. Everyone knows it. Everyone remembers. And they say, ma'am, we are this much fluent only. I know, beta, I know what is happening. I belong to this age only. Live in this country only. Know everything. The advent of technology has started from our generation only. That at a very large extent, the advent of technology. WhatsApp, etc., etc. So don't try to fool me because you are fooling yourself. When the ASL will happen in the classroom, you will fumble. Then you will cry. Then you will come up, ma'am, I have social anxiety. Ma'am, I'm getting very anxious. Because you haven't practiced it. You were given a chance in 11th standard, you didn't practice. You will be given a chance again this time. I will see what you people will come up with. Because ASLs are joke. 20 marks for free, no free. And no, and 120 in practicals this time. Trust me. If you don't trust me, when the result comes out, you ask your seniors. This Blessy batch, Blessy Aditi, Kevika batch. Ask them what were the marks. They will tell you. Ask everybody, not only the good students. Ask the average students also. Ask their marks. We haven't given full marks. So don't think the 20 on 20s come for free. It's not coming for free. Please study this subject. Okay, I don't like to lecture much, but it's actually to tell you and give you a clear picture in the beginning itself. Later I won't even have time. Okay, so now on Saturday we are starting with the chapter Lost Spring. Lost Spring is a chapter that has 2 parts. Okay, this is the only chapter in class 12th which has been divided in 2 parts. Okay, there is one part that talks about one character, Sahib. Another part talks about another character, Mukesh. We are going to start with the part where the text talks about Sahib. Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes, Zaina.
Ma'am, can anyone confirm that in chapter 1 there are in total 10 questions that we have to write in the notebook?
Beta,